all text. Collection of text commands with various architectural use. Run the command and select from the dialog text type to enter. All commands create their own layers to place text and lines. Follow prompts for each command. On the left side of the dialog box is a list of all commands, and on the right is an icon preview for each one. Set layer and style to draw text. Let's see all text commands in action. Axes, numbers. Set text height, text rotation, and select endpoint of line. Enter new number, say 1. Continue selecting lines to place successive numbers, or type new one. Axes, letters. Set text height, text rotation, and select endpoint of line. Enter text, say A. Continue selecting lines to place successive text, or type new one. Text and numbers for axes. Set text height, text rotation. Enter new text, say A, and select endpoint of line. Enter new number, say 1. Continue selecting lines to place successive numbers, or type new one. Successive numbers. Set parameters and enter text. Pick where to place first number. Pick next points to place next numbers. Successive numbers with text. Set parameters, enter text and starting number. Pick where to place first text, number. Pick next points to place next text, numbers. Successive numbers in circle. Set parameters, enter text and starting number. Pick where to place first text. Pick next points to place next text, numbers. Text in circle. Set parameters, enter text and pick where to place first text in circle. Pick next points to place next text. Text in polygons. Set parameters for polygon sides, text height, and center of polygon. Type text. Pick next points to place next text. Multi-text. Set text height, enter text and select where to place text. Pick to place more text. Multi-text with number. Set text height. Enter text and number and select where to place text. Pick to place more text. Text in polygons and arrow. Set text height. And pick to start arrow. Enter text. Stair, steps numbering. Set text parameters and type starting and ending number, distance between text, and pick points. Insert text. Command to insert text file in your current drawing. Specify start point, set text height, set rotation angle, and set different options. Always follow prompts for proper results.